Hi everybody and welcome back to the How to Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to find the user manual for your XIAOMI Sound Pocket speaker. So at first we need to open the web browser, and in the web browser we have to search for the XIAOMI Sound Pocket speaker. Wait a moment, I switched the languages. XIAOMI Sound Pocket. And apart from that we have to add it to this user manual. Here, XIAOMI Sound Pocket user manual. Now here, as you can see in Mi Store, we have the user manual. We have to tap that, and that's it. Hope it helps, and goodbye. Have a nice day.